I'd just like to congratulate Starwood Resorts, Fiji, and Pacific Beverages for this innovative collaboration. Shane did bring the Tourism Fiji board here as guinea pigs, very willing guinea pigs, and we tasted the rum, and as Shane described, we were also extremely impressed with the quality, just the smoothness of the drink. Obviously don't drink much, and also, just the flavors were extremely delicious. So I'm very pleased to be part of the occasion tonight to celebrate the launch of these beautiful rums and to introduce another product that our visitors to our beautiful islands will be able to enjoy. Pinaka.